we're going to take a look at some options that you have for running models locally on your own device. Let's go over to the Model Hub. And then in here, you see a couple options. The first one, which is maybe the most common one, is local AI models. And local AI models is our default local inference system that uses LLaMA on the back end. And in all likelihood, if you are using local models, you probably did select this option to have LLaMA set up. And below local AI models, we see two more options, MLX models and LLaMA.cpp models. MLX models, we're not going to go over in this video. If you have an Apple Silicon device, then MLX is probably the best option for you because this engine is built for Apple Silicon, and this is going to be where you see the best performance when running local models. And again, the last option right here is LLaMA.cpp. I'm going to click on that. I don't have it installed right now, but to install it, same thing that you would have seen for local AI models or MLX. You can set up LLaMA.cpp quick and easy by clicking on this button right here. Or if you already have LLaMA.cpp running on your device, you can expand the section below to point to that folder location where your models are on your device. But back at the top right here, the quick setup is going to install a small model, but if you want a more beefy one, such as GPT-OSS, you can select that as well. Obviously, it's going to be a larger file size and take longer to download and install LLaMA.cpp. Though in all likelihood, you're probably not going to stick with the tiny model, and you might find more value with using GPT-OSS, so might as well install it now. I already have it installed, so I'm going to bypass that and do the quickest option, and then click on Setup LLaMA.cpp. And this setup shouldn't take too long. And yep, it's already installed, and we see here, as I mentioned, I already have the GPT-OSS model already installed, but you can take a look at the other options here as well. And you'll notice the little chip icon, if it's green, that indicates that your machine should be able to handle and run that model relatively well. And if you see one that is red, which I don't see one on this list, then that model wouldn't be recommended for your device. Let's X out of this and go into a conversation. And I want to take a look at some of the LLaMA.cpp models. I'm going to click on GPT-OSS, and then I'm going to click on model parameters. For LLaMA.cpp, if you look at the common settings for context window, you could actually just reduce this down to 0, and that's going to use the maximum context size for that given model, which in many instances is going to work pretty well because it's going to have a longer window of context. And with a longer window of context, the benefit of that is that the model is going to have all that information within that context window at its disposal, so it could provide more relevant answers. If you have a shorter context window, your conversation that might fall outside of that may be lost when a model is trying to respond, in which case that could come off looking like a hallucination. There is a bit of trade-off though. If you're having a really large context size, then you want to make sure that your machine is able to handle that, because that's just more data that's going to be held within memory, which means that your device may take a little longer to process it, and you might hear that device fan come on. But yeah, I would say if your device is able to handle it, then yeah, let it ride. And another really handy setting that's available for LLaMA.cpp, if I go down here and click on expand other options, we'll see that there's this option right here around how to handle messages when context limit is approached. If your conversation is reaching that context limit, then what LLaMA.cpp will do is either truncate the middle of that conversation, meaning it's going to take that middle area of the conversation and reduce it, that way the context fits in that window now, which has a pretty good upside in that the beginning of the conversation and the end of the conversation, the more current part of it, is going to be held more intact. So if you're having conversations where the beginning of the conversation is just as important as the more recent messages in the conversation, then that's going to provide better responses, assuming that you didn't really need too much info from the middle of it. But if you're having a conversation where the beginning doesn't really matter so much, it's more so about the current, then what you could do is click on the drop down and then click on truncate old, and that will truncate those older messages so that you have the more recent messages within the context so that the model could provide better responses based on what's more important to you. If that is indeed the case where the more recent messages matter the most and the old ones don't really matter that much at all. So a couple cool options that's available with LLaMA.cpp. And then I'm going to click on apply and then just start having a conversation. Another thing you may notice with LLaMA.cpp is that it responds pretty quickly. And one more last thing to look at, if we go to settings and then LLaMA.cpp, and here you have a lot of the same settings that you would see in local AI and MLX, where the main ones are the service health, so you could see that it's running, and you could click on the ellipses to restart it or stop it if needed. You have the service endpoint right there. If you want to check to see if there's a newer version, you could click on the ellipses right there and then update. And as we scroll down, you'll see some more advanced configurations down here at the bottom. And scrolling back up, one other thing to call out is enable network access. If you want this to be available on your network, then select that option. And then if you scroll back up, you'll see the network URLs available. If you haven't yet tried out LLaMA.cpp for your local inference, then I encourage you to give it a try. It's pretty awesome.